This is our statistics video project. Sydney, Arlene,
I'm Devontae, and Justin's not here right now. So the question that we asked was, how many hours of sleep do you receive on a school night? And the way we set it up was we put number of hours on one side and frequency on the other side. And what we did was we used convenience method, and what we did is we went to our closest friends and we asked them how many hours of sleep they receive on a school night, and we just listed our data after that.
For me, we added up all the numbers and divided by how many numbers there were. So we did 3 5 times, plus 4 9 times, 5 21 times, plus 6 20 times, plus 7 26 times, plus 8 21 times, which equals 626. Then you take that and divide it by 102, which equals 6.1. And for the median, it's the middle number, so you cross out and find the middle one. And for the mode, it's the frequent most number, which is 7. And the mid-range is the maximum plus minimum divided by 2, which is 8 plus 3 equals 11. Then 11 divided by 2 equals 5.5.
this is our measures of spread. For our data, we're going to take the range, which is taking the largest minus the smallest to give you 5. We're going to take 3 different quartiles. The first one is Q2, which is your main median, and then you're going to take Q1, which is your upper median, and then you're going to take Q3, which is your lower median. You're then going to take the IQR, which is subtracting Q3 minus Q1 to give you 2. And the variance steps are taking mean, which is 6.1, adding all the data and dividing by how many there are. You're going to subtract the mean from each value. So we have 1 5 times, 2.1 9 times, 1.1 21 times, 0.1 20 times, negative 0.9 26 times, and negative 1.9 21 times. You're then going to square each deviation of the mean. You're going to find the sum of the squares, which is adding all the numbers up in step 3. And then you're going to divide by the total number of items in step 4 to give you 2.06. Your standard deviation is taking the square root of step 5, which gives you 1.4.
We put the responses that we got into a histogram. The x-axis represents the number of hours slept, and the y-axis represents how many students selected that response.
Alright, so this is our normal distribution graph. We had a mean of 6.1, which lies in the center, and our standard deviation is 1.4. So our intervals are 1.9, 3.3, 4.7, 6.1, 7.5, 8.9, and 10.3. And we just listed the percentage variables throughout the graph, and this is what we have.